Start moving. Hi everybody, my name is Michelle Garcia and this is my first makeup tutorial YouTube video. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm really excited. I hope everyone who watches it likes it. This is really for my stage makeup class that I'm taking at Coastal Carolina University. Shouts up. I'm gonna be making a character stylized makeup. The character I've decided to go with is Sunrise Fairy.
I don't know why I did that, but moving on.
I took it with inspiration of standard kind of fairy makeup for costumes and whatnot. I added the sunset, the sunrise. I added the colors.
Yeah, this is a train wreck. Very sorry, guys.
I'm gonna start off with doing my eyeshadow first because I find it better to do eyeshadow first, so if I have any mistakes or any flare-ups or whatever, I can cover it up with some concealer or brush it away or have foundation, but it doesn't mess with the rest of my face. And I don't want to mess up. Nope. Anywho, so for the simple kind of look, I'm going to be using Morphe James Charles palettes. We're gonna start off with putting primer on with the Anastasia, I don't know how this works, Anastasia eye palette. You can't see it. This is what we're using. I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna put little dots on my eyeballs. That looks so cute. It looks like I have chicken pox. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna take my little brush and then we're gonna spread it all out. I don't know how people do these things. Ooh, look at me. Primers never match my skin tone, so I just hope I can cover it up. I'm putting eyeshadow like that, so I have to put a little bit under. It's on my eyelashes. Okay. We're looking white. Yummy. We're going to apply the first color, which is going to be yellow, like the sun. Yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to use a different brush. This brush is going to be for orange. It's coming like a sunrise. I look like a parrot. A nice, funny parrot. Finally, a different brush once again. I don't really like none of those brushes. This brush for a pinky color. I'm gonna do a little line that goes up like this and going out, so it's like a winged eyeliner. Because this is a fantasy look, I'm gonna go farther than you normally would. So yeah, I'm adding more to make it look more like I want, and that's how you do a makeup. You put your base layer on and you're like, now it's time. Now we're going to take this little baby and go blend. And now I'm going to blend it out the bottom. After we put on all of the foundation and everything like that, then we're going to clean it up. So this is the beginning and look. And now we're going to get our concealer. Just Tarte, and it's medium honey. I'm not a makeup girl, so I don't need to know any more than that. I put like a little bit of dots on that side, and I put a little bit of dots on this side, and then I put a dot on my nose, and sometimes I put a little on my lip, and sometimes on my chin, because I have a big butt chin, and I like to cover it up a bit. And then I take my beauty blender, which is already wet and damp because it's so big and fluffy. Yeah, I don't know how other beauty gurus or whatever people do it, but for me, I don't mind fully going over some of the spots in my eyeshadow if I do it first, because that's my plan. I'm gonna fix up whatever I need to fix up again at the end. I'm not too worried. Anyway, so concealer's done, and so now I'm going to put on foundation. So I realized I didn't tell you what foundation I use. I am putting on Fenty Beauty. I'm using 310 right now. That's what I usually am, but because I'm never outside anymore, as you can see, I'm not much of this shade. So now I put it all over my face, like little random spots, and I let it dry a bit because it's very liquidy, and I don't really like when it doesn't cover too much. And because I'm not this shade right now, what I do to make sure I blend together is I put a little bit going down my neck, especially because I'm using my neck for some of this makeup. My hair is getting stained. Anywho, it's blended into my neck more. I look a little more natural, still look a little crazy, but that's just me. That's not really the makeup. That's just me. Anyways, okay, foundation fully covered the liquid foundation side of it, and I cover myself up with powder. I use Forever Makeup. I use the 163 shade. I've used this shade and this powder since I was like in 7th grade when I started kind of liking makeup and was like, ooh, this sounds like fun. I've like really kept to it ever since. So anyway, I usually contour. Today, because we are fairies, I'm going to contour using this pink down here in the corner, because I thought since I'm like sunrise fairy, might as well make my face all pink and shit. And I'm gonna go up and round to make my cheekbones kind of like, ooh, she's a little sugar plum fairy. And we're gonna just go a little more exaggerated with it, just because I'm a fairy, and that's fun. I love being a fairy. Okay, so we're gonna stop there for now. So as you can see, they're like really rosy and kind of cool, and I'm liking it. Now we're going to contour the nosy part with pink because I'm crazy and I think that's fun. But we're gonna make sure we go super light with the pink because I don't want to go crazy for the first. Yeah, this brush is broken. I forgot to mention that, but she's cute. Not too much, not too little. My nose looks a little crazy, but that's okay. We're gonna blend it out. I'm really sorry that my light just keeps like messing with me. I don't have a true setup. It's a little messy, so it's a little difficult for my phone to get. So this is how we're looking right now. I wanted to make a sunrise on my forehead because I thought that would be really cool and like bring in more magical kind of fantasy. That's what we're about to do, and I'm really hype about it. I'm gonna get this pink and we're just gonna outline. I have so many baby hairs, it's ridiculous. I feel like no one on YouTube or in makeup has as many baby hairs as I do. I'm gonna stop there for the pink, for the orange, and for the yellow. Before I start doing that, I'm going to add some eyeshadow primer to this area where I'm going to paint it, because since my skin tone is not white, this will help with the blending and also the color being there. I'm also planning on doing something down the nose, so that's why I'm adding some here right now. I'm going to add a lot of color because when I blend it, I really want all of the powder to spread and really mix. Finally, I'm going in with the yellow. As you can see, if I come a little closer, you can kind of see it going in. We have the sun kind of right between my eyebrows, and then we're going to go down from there. I look like a clown. Now we're gonna blend upward. Now we are going to blend out the top. Now we're gonna do the eyebrows. I know, you're probably thinking that I have so much color on my face and I should stop, but I won't. So I'm going to take the orange, kind of fill my eyebrows. So there's my orange-ish eyebrows. One thing that I did forget is I wanted to add some pink going here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this glitter.
Since I love glitter, I went a little overboard, so try not to go as crazy as I did.
I'm going to add it to the corners of my eyes, and I dab it around. And then for this sun look, I'm going to spread it out in like a ball. I am going to make drips, kind of tap them a bit, and now I'm going to focus on my lips. I'm going to do some concealer on top of them. We're going to move on to putting some orange on my lips. We're going to add some glitter now that my lips are done. So now there's some glitter on my lips. I'm going to line my lips with pink. Finally, we are going to add some mascara. First, I'm gonna pinch them. So now we're going to add mascara. I'll be using milk. And we are done. Now, costume time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll have fun, maybe with a little less glitter than I do, because I always get obsessed and it goes a little too far. I don't know if there'll be another one, but have a good night.